Hey guys, Stellar here. I'm back with another video for you guys, and today's video is going to be a little different than what you guys are used to. Today's video is going to be not anything about drama. Non-drama related, shall I say. I'm not going to be talking about drama. I'm not going to be ranting about anybody. I'm not touching on anything dramatic in this video. I'm not. I know some of you are probably like, what? That's what we came for. We come for the drama, not for any other video. We don't want to see any other crappy video. We want drama. And I get it. And I promise I'll get back to the drama, okay? I will. However, the past few nights we've been having some massive storms, and I have been out there recording, making videos of some of the storms that are going through. So I have mashed them all together, put some soft music, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to share it. I've made the video. Why not share it? And I know some of you are like, why? No, we don't want to watch your boring storm videos. No. What is this? ASMR. We're not here for ASMR. I guess it is a type of ASMR, okay? Look, I'm with you. I'm not into the ASMR thing, but who doesn't love a good thunderstorm? I love it. I love it, and I'm absolutely loving these storms. Now, as a kid, the thunderstorms just terrify me, and I would shake, I would tremble, but now I like it. I love it. I love the sound of thunder. I love it when it kind of like rolls up and kind of rumbles the house and you kind of feel it deep within. And I don't like lightning, okay? No. The lightning scares the bejeebies out of me, and we have had some gnarly lightning, okay? We have had some really gnarly lightning the past few nights. As long as I'm not seeing the lightning, I'm okay. But I was braving the elements to get the perfect shot, okay? So, yeah, I'm out there shaking, holding up my camera, saying, please, don't shock me. I don't want to be hit with lightning. Never mind the times that my husband came out and stuck up behind me and scared me out of my skin. Poke my side, scare me. But yeah, I was out there in the elements recording. So you all better watch this video. No, I'm just kidding. Watch it if you feel like it. But yeah, that's what's going to be in this video. Just a few clips of the storms. You will hear the thunder. You will hear the rain. You will see some lightning. And if you stay tuned till the end, you'll actually see me make a run for it, because the lightning got a little bit too close. And yeah, I was done. So I booked it inside where I was safe. And then, I tried to record from the window, and my husband says, the lightning can come through the window. And I was like, okay, yeah, good point. I'm done. So anyhow, that's what this video is going to be about. A little bit of ASMR. But I promise you, this is not going to be an ASMR video, because I don't get it. But when it comes to a thunderstorm, come on, who doesn't enjoy the sound of thunder and rain from the safety of their own home, right? Yeah, so take a listen. Find a spot. Relax. Put it on, enjoy the sound of the rain, the thunder, and the soft native flute music that I've put in the background, and just relax and unwind a little bit. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up. And if you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. It's all right. It's not for everybody. You guys, like I said, you might be thinking, what the hell are you doing, Stellar? We want drama. I promise. I'll get back to the drama. But today is going to be a little bit different, right? Okay, so anyhow, let's get into the video. But before that, remember, each and every one of you are awesome. Now go out there and make it a stellar day after you listen to my video or watch my video, whatever. All right, bye.